Hey guys, welcome to New Tech Hub. Today we're gonna unbox JBL Go, but the thing is I already unboxed it. So let's go through again. So as you see, it is a Bluetooth speaker. It is come with a 5 hours of battery, built-in microphone, and you have audio jack. You can connect it to your mobile phone with AUX cable, which is 3.5 jack, and micro USB charger, and you have a book. That is all is come in the box, and I'm already connected to the speaker. Let's try the quality. So we're gonna try few things. So we're gonna try the quality, and we're gonna try how the quality when the speaker it is the loudest. So that is in the medium volume.
Testing. Yes. Yeah. Marcus Cooper. Swag. So just get right to it though. I like a thick girl with a big booty. Small waist in the face, she a cutie. I like skinny girls with the
that's a speaker.
Long legs with the little bitty butts. Yeah, I like a big girl that can cook like my mama. She know the way to a man's heart is through his stomach. I like an innocent girl like it turned out. I like a freak chick already turned out. I like them shy and nerdy, a geek in glasses. College girl, straight A's in the classes. I like a flirty personality, a little T. She always making passes. I like a 30 or even.
So let's try the second song.
When I see you, I run out of words to say. I wouldn't leave you, 'cause you're that type of girl. Make me stay. See the girls trying to holler, girl, I don't wanna bother you, 'cause you're independent and you got my attention. I'll be your baby mother, girl, I just wanna show you that I love what you are doing. See you.
And let's try 50 cents.
Welcome to the candy shop.
Yeah. So seductive. I take you to the candy shop. I let you lick the lollipop. Go ahead, girl, don't you stop. Keep going till you hit the spot. Whoa.
I'll take you to the candy shop.
Yeah.
One more taste of what I got. I'll have you spending all you got.
Come on.
You're going to hit the spot.
You can have it your way. How do you want it? You gon' back that thing up, or should I push up on it? Temperature rising, okay, let's go to the next level.
And let's try Indian song.
You and I will be together till the end of time. I promise I won't ever let you go. Now that I know you love me, you and I will be together till the end of time. I promise I won't ever let you go. Now that I know you love me.
And let's try one more song with the high bass.
Come on, let's fly away, far away. Never look back in the rearview mirror. Moving as fast takes my beat. Never thought we could find this treasure. Like the sunshine shining on clockwise. Taking flight through the sky, just you and I.
And let's try something fun.
Doing a sexy, body my jacket all night. Got a minute to murder, but coming over daylight. Check out steady body, I fell in love at first sight.
So as you see, the speaker is loud and it is have really good bass. If you are a person who is looking for a good speaker, it's affordable, it is under £50. JBL have 3 different models. That is JBL Go, JBL Clip 2. Both of the best small speaker when it comes to quality and the price. Second thing is they are waterproof, like UB Boom as well as Sony. But Sony, you had to pay around £35 for get a decent speaker. Where JBL, even if you are looking for the older model with its JBL Go, you will get it around highly around £20 to £25. You have a good sound speaker. It sounds much better than your mobile phone, and it has a good bass and clear audio. So if you're a person looking for a speaker to carry around with your travel, it is a very lightweight. Or if you're a person who wants to have a small speaker in your bathroom, it is a waterproof speaker. So there we go. You have a small JBL speaker, and it's also filled to it. They will last you for more than 2 to 3 years. Build quality is good, clear audio. At the same time, I do have a problem with this speaker. I think they would have a different shape. I don't really like the square speaker at all. And I found that is if you're making a small speaker, made it round, so easy to travel speaker, and it look much nicer. I am not fan of this look. At the same time, I was looking a bit more longer battery life. I'm looking for around 10 hours max, because I don't want to travel with the speaker where I have to charge every 5 hours. That's not ideal. For a small speaker, if any of the company, not only JBL, if any company can make a small speaker with a longer battery life, good bass, that will be the ideal for anybody purchasing a small speaker for their journeys. Second, if it is a kids, they can have around the house a small speaker where bit more endurance, so you can drop him, abuse much as you want. At the same time, it work. I would love if JBL changed from micro USB to USB-C, so it's a fast charging. If they can upgrade it to the next model they are releasing, if they can do USB-C, that will be one of the best they can make. Because if you look at it, Android phones, they are USB-C. All the new iPad Pros, they all USB-C. You have new wireless headphones, which is Samsung as well as Bang & Olufsen. They all moving to USB-C. So therefore, if you're a person who's traveling, they have to carry one single cable or one single power bank, which have a USB-C cable, so they can charge. They don't need to carry a bunch of cable to charge their speaker, their phone, and their iPad. No, there is too much to carry for a travel. But if for a house, yeah, that is okay. But we are not going to use the speaker just in house. So for outdoor as well as indoor, if they can change to a bit more rounder shape speaker, louder and longer battery life with the USB-C, it is an ideal speaker. Do I recommend this? Yes and no. If you are a person traveling, yes. If you're going for a long journey or a short journey, if you're going for a hiking, yes, that is the best speaker you can carry with you. If you're going for a long journey like exploring, you have to have a speaker with you. This is going to only last you 5 hours unless you have a power bank that you can charge it. If it is for kids, yes. JBL the Go is the older model, so you will get it a bit more cheaper than the new ones. At the same time, it's provide you very similar quality and good build, so they can drop it, throw it around. It's still going to work. You don't have to buy a new speaker after they're thrown once, like your Sony speakers. So the good thing is JBL do have really good speakers, but can they do better? Yes, definitely they can. So in that note, I leave it to it. So I leave the link below for Amazon if you want to check it out, and I see you on the next video.